Hi, in this video I will show you how to add boarding pass to Google Wallet. So first things first, head over and install your Google Wallet on your phone. And then once you have installed that, you can access your boarding pass by the airline's app, website, or your email. So head over and then format it and open it to view the QR code or barcode. Then center the QR code or barcode on your screen and then press and hold the power and volume buttons simultaneously to take a screenshot. So you can head over and then just scan this QR code right here or this barcode right here in order to get this particular Google app on your boarding pass. After that, click on the Add to Google Wallet from the options that will appear and then save your boarding pass through the window that will open. So once you're done with that, you can use your boarding pass to unlock your phone and hold it near the ticket reader at the airport. It should be able to look like this on your phone. So that's how you add boarding pass to Google Wallet. I hope this video helped you out.